Most AI influencers fail within the first 30 days. Not because the tools are bad, it's because nobody tells you the 3 things that actually make an AI influencer profitable. I've studied the ones quietly earning thousands every month. I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing differently. Stay until the end. The third one is the one everyone misses. I've built AI influencers across multiple different niches. I've tested the tools, the setups, and the monetization strategies. Some of them failed completely. Some of them started earning within the first week. I know exactly what separates the two. So let's get straight into it. Here's the thing most people get wrong. A profitable AI influencer isn't just about looking real. It's about being positioned correctly from day one. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick the right niche, build your avatar in HeyGen, set up your monetization before you post a single video, and batch produce a full week of content in under 2 hours. And stick with me because this next part changes everything. Most people build the avatar first. That's the wrong order. I'll show you exactly why in just a second. Before we move on, if you like content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, let's continue. Step 1 is choosing your niche. And this is where it gets interesting. Not all niches pay the same, not even close. Fitness, finance, and tech AI influencers massively outperform generic ones on affiliate revenue. We're talking CPMs of $15, $20, even $30 in finance versus $2 or $3 in entertainment. That's a 10 times difference in earnings for the same number of views. So before you open HeyGen, you need to pick one of these 3 categories. Number 1, health and fitness. That means weight loss, gym routines, or supplements. Number 2, finance. That means budgeting, investing, or passive income. Number 3, tech. That means AI tools, software tutorials, or automation. Pick the one you can create content about consistently. That's your foundation. Now here's what nobody tells you. Your niche also determines which affiliate programs you can join. Finance influencers get access to programs paying 30, 40, even 50% commission. That's where the real money is. Before you commit to a niche, search that niche on ClickBank and check the commission rates. If the top products pay under 10%, pick a different niche. Step 2 is building your avatar in HeyGen. Most tutorials skip this step. The settings you choose here determine whether your influencer looks real or looks like a cheap deepfake. Open HeyGen and go to avatar creation. You're going to upload a source photo. This took me weeks to figure out, so pay attention. The photo needs a neutral background, even lighting, and a direct forward-facing angle, no sunglasses, no harsh shadows. Once your avatar is generated, go into the voice settings. You're going to clone a voice using 11 Labs. Record a clean 2-minute voice sample. No background noise, no music, just clear, natural speech. As you can see, I've already created a custom voice for my AI influencer called Alexia Rai. Upload that to 11 Labs, generate your clone, and then connect it to HeyGen through the custom voice option. Select Change Voice, Import from Third Party, and paste your 11 Labs API key. And this is where it gets interesting. The common mistake here is using the default HeyGen voices. They sound robotic. They break the illusion immediately. Your clone voice is what makes viewers forget they're watching an AI. Always use a custom voice, always. Step 3 is setting up your monetization stack. Keep watching because this is the part that actually makes the difference. Most people post 20 videos before they set up a single income stream. That's 20 videos of leaving money on the table. You need 3 things in place before your first video goes live. First, your affiliate links. Go to the affiliate program for your niche. Sign up and get your tracking links. These go in every video description. Second, your UGC package. Brands pay between $150 and $500 per AI-generated video for ad creatives. Create a simple one-page media kit showing your avatar, your niche, and your rates. You don't need followers to land these deals, you just need to reach out. Third, your digital product funnel. This is where the real leverage is. Create a simple PDF guide or mini course on your niche topic. Price it between $27 and $97. Use Gumroad or StanStore. Link it in your bio in every video description. Now here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to wait until you have an audience to start earning. Your first UGC deal can come in your first week. Reach out to 5 brands in your niche today. That single step can cover your tool costs immediately. Step 4 is creating your content in batches. This is how you stay consistent without burning out. Most tutorials skip this step. Here's the system. 1 day per week is your content day. On that day, you write 5 scripts, record 5 HeyGen videos, and schedule all 5. Each script follows the same template: hook, problem, solution, call to action. Under 90 seconds for short form, 6 to 10 minutes for long form, you're not reinventing the wheel each time. You're filling in a proven structure. Use ChatGPT to generate the content ideas, the viral hooks, the scripts, and the call to action. If you would like to get my custom ChatGPT prompt that generates viral content ideas and scripts for you, leave a message in the comments and I will send it to you. Copy the scripts and paste into HeyGen. Export. Done. 5 videos in under 2 hours. That's your entire week of content handled in one session. Here's what this looks like when it all comes together. You've got an avatar and a high CPM niche. You've got a cloned voice that sounds completely natural. You've got affiliate links, a UGC package, and a digital product all set up before you post a single video. And you're batching 5 pieces of content every week in under 2 hours. That's a real business. Not a side project, not an experiment. A system that runs every week and compounds over time. The AI influencers that are earning right now aren't doing anything magical. They built the foundation correctly, they stayed consistent, and they had all 3 income streams active from day one. That's exactly what you've just learned how to do. 3 things to remember. Pick a high CPM niche before you touch any tools, set up all 3 income streams before your first video goes live, batch your content every week so you never fall behind. If this helped you, hit the like and subscribe button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people, and if you want the complete blueprint, every tool, every template, and every monetization strategy mapped out step by step, I've linked my free AI influencer course in the description below. It's the fastest way to go from 0 to a fully earning AI persona. Check the link below. And if you want to see exactly how to build the HeyGen avatar from scratch, check out my full HeyGen tutorial. I'll see you there.